I'm Runyan, visual artist and creative encourager, and today I'm taking on a project that's pretty complicated. And I'm going to show you how I tackle these more complicated pieces. Today we're going to paint, draw, and whatever we want to use to make a riverboat. And I've never done this before. I've never made a riverboat, so I'll show you my process to bring this complexity of a design into a simpler representation and how I make it my own with what I add. And I'm sure you can guess there's going to be some cats in here. I have been playing with art for about 45 years. I worked at Hallmark for 30 years and have been running my own business since 2016. So yeah, I've been around a little while and I know a lot about making mistakes and figuring it out and learning not to listen to the inner critic. So I hope this video, which is going to be shot in real time, will show you how I handle all these twists and turns of a more complicated project. I see someone coming. So hold on to your hat and keep your mind open and let's learn something together. Let's go on to the first lesson.